If you have ever felt a longing for genuine connection, emotional freedom, and the key to unlocking the true essence of love, then The Mastery of Love, A Practical Guide to the Art of Relationship. A Practical Guide to the Art of Relationship is an absolute must-read. This enchanting book by the esteemed author Don Miguel Ruiz transcends the boundaries of typical self-help literature and weaves together Toltec wisdom with profound insights on the art of building and nurturing meaningful relationships. From the very first page, you will find yourself captivated by Ruiz's heartfelt prose and his ability to speak to the deepest corners of your soul. Don Miguel Ruiz, a renowned spiritual teacher and shaman, has garnered global acclaim for his transformative writings, and The Mastery of Love, A Practical Guide to the Art of Relationship is undoubtedly one of his best creations. Building upon the timeless teachings of the Toltec tradition, Ruiz delves into the complexities of human relationships and unravels the essence of love in its purest form, drawing upon his own experiences and Toltec wisdom passed down through generations. Ruiz provides a roadmap for breaking free from the chains of fear, jealousy, and attachment, ultimately guiding readers toward a life filled with love, joy, and fulfillment. The book's chapters are masterfully arranged to lead readers on an enlightening journey of self-discovery and growth. In the first section, The Wounded Mind, Ruiz delves into the origins of our emotional wounds and explores how these scars shape our relationships and perceptions of love. He then leads us into the heart of the matter in the second section, The Loss of Innocence, where he imparts wisdom on reclaiming the innocence of our hearts and rediscovering the pure love that resides within us all. Finally, in the concluding section, The Track of Love, Ruiz provides invaluable insights on living a life guided by love, compassion, and respect, laying the groundwork for profound transformations in all our relationships. In The Mastery of Love, A Practical Guide to the Art of Relationship, Don Miguel Ruiz gives us not only with a practical guide to cultivating fulfilling relationships, but also with a profound reminder of our own worthiness of love and connection. This book will undoubtedly leave an indelible mark on your heart, challenging you to let go of the past, embrace the present, and step into a future where love reigns supreme. Whether you are single, in a committed relationship, or seeking to heal past wounds, this book's timeless wisdom will surely resonate, helping you find the path to the mastery of love, a practical guide to the art of relationship within yourself and with others.